Hi guys, it's Laura. We weren't sure whether we've actually showed you at all so far what our pigment range, what they all look like when they're mixed with the resin. I know we've shown you a couple, but we just wanted to show you what they actually look like once they're in the resin so you can see the colours more clearly. So I've just mixed a few up here. So that's our silver pigment I've just mixed. So as with all of our products, we've always got that bit of sparkle, nice super sparkly pigment colours. So that's the silver. I'm just going to pour a little bit in of each one just so you can have an idea, because it's hard to know what the final result's going to be like unless you've actually seen what it looks like mixed. So we weren't sure if we'd done this. So that's the silver. That's the rose gold. So nice deep colour. Just give you an idea what that looks like poured. And then we've got our newest colour so far, which is the baby pink, but we have got another colour going to be available soon, which will be a black pigment, so we'll show you that as soon as we have it. So that's the baby pink. And again, they're all pearl pigments, so they've got a nice shimmer to them, which is lovely. And then we have the white, which has the nice tone to it. We think it's like a nice shell type colour, so that's the white pigment. So that's that one. I'll give you a close up in a minute. And then that's the gold. So gold pigment colour. Move on to this one. Oops. And the purple.
Just out of the camera there.
Was it?
A bit further up. That's it.
There we go. Purple. So I'll quickly show you that one. And I've not done this one, brown.
Bit further up again. Bit further up.
Oh,
that's
there we
it.
go.
Perfect.
I almost do that in the wrong way.
That looks like chocolate.
Yeah, I love that. It's nice deep brown, isn't it? So that's the brown. Yeah, it looks like chocolate, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then the blue, which I think is a nice bright blue. Really clear, nice bright.
Further up. Further up. Yeah.
Bright blue,
it.
yeah.
Perfect.
And finally up to now, we've got the Teal It Sparkles, which is your lovely teal turquoise colour again with the shimmer. So that's what that shade one looks like mixed. So currently we have had our pigments available in a bag, but we've decided from feedback that to make the pigments more manageable and easier to use, that we're going to offer both of our pigment quantities in pots eventually. So when you purchase either the 5 gram or the 25 gram quantity of pigment, you will receive it in a pot, which we think will be a lot better and more manageable to use. So that's the range so far, and we have got the black coming out soon. Thanks guys.